everybody, today we're going to be making a coffee body polishing oil. It's a very simple, very easy recipe to make with ingredients you can find either at your home or at your natural health food store. And it's made with all natural ingredients. It's great for your skin as well. In this recipe, we're going to be using red raspberry seed oil, walnut oil, vitamin E, and pomegranate seed oil. And obviously our main ingredient, coffee oil. Coffee has many great skin benefits. It's one of those key ingredients that's great for your beauty regimen. Coffee is a very powerful antioxidant, so really helps with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps fight back the damage from free radicals as well. Coffee really helps increase blood flow to your skin. It really boosts circulation and brings all the blood to the surface of your skin. Coffee helps your skin texture as well. It really helps tighten the skin and also helps brighten it up as well. When applied topically, coffee helps constrict blood vessels, which really helps with dark circles and reduces puffiness from your skin. Let's get right to it. And there you have it. The coffee body polishing oil is ready to use. The finely ground coffee particles help to buff away dead skin cells, allowing the oil to penetrate deeper into the skin. If you like this video, click on the like and subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our newest videos. Till the next time, bye!